Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our comprehensive repair guide for the Thermomix TM5. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to diagnose and repair your device effectively. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you access the internal components of your Thermomix safely. Begin by unplugging the device to ensure safety. Next, remove the base cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom. Use your Phillips screwdriver for this task. Keep the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the base cover is off, you will see the internal components. Inspect for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any issues, take a moment to document them. This will help you when discussing repairs with a professional. Now let's clean the internal parts. Use the soft cloth to wipe down any dust or debris. For hard-to-reach areas, the compressed air can be very effective. Make sure to blow out any particles that may have accumulated over time. Remember, a clean machine runs more efficiently. If you encounter any significant issues during your inspection, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This means you can get expert advice on what needs to be repaired without any commitment. After cleaning, check the wiring connections. Ensure that all cables are securely attached. If you find any loose wires, gently reconnect them. This is a common issue that can cause your Thermomix to malfunction. Next, let's address the screws you removed earlier. Reattach the base cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these repairs, remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service allows you to have your Thermomix repaired without the hassle of traveling. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on. Test its functions to ensure everything is working correctly. If you still experience issues, it may be time to seek professional help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. In summary, repairing your Thermomix TM5 can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness during the process. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We're here to help you get your appliance back in top shape. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.